Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me hope that you're all doing well. Today it's a very cold day in Montreal. It's minus 21 when you factor in the wind. Yes, minus 21. But be that as it may, we have to live with it, dress warm and just keep going. All right, so today I'm here with another recipe, a very simple one. I'm going to prepare vegetable fried rice. All right, so I just want you to watch the step to the end and see how I prepare it. If you're new here, please do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, like, and also share. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to thank you so much for your continued support. May God continue to bless you. All right, so we're going to get into the process. I'm going to show you the ingredients and also the cooking process. All right, so just stay tuned. So here are the basic ingredients, the vegetable that I have for you. I have carrot. I went ahead, I cut them in julienne strips. Bean sprouts, corn, 2 stalks of scallion, bell pepper, and I'm using a quarter of the green, quarter of the red. A medium onion, I'm using the purple onion. 3 cloves of garlic, and I also have some green beans or string beans. And of course, I have the soy sauce. All right, so these are the basic ingredients that I will be using. As you can see, it's all natural, all fresh, and my rice is cooking. So just follow the process, see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the onion, garlic, pepper, scallion, and green beans. All right. So for the beans, I'm just going to slice them like that. Don't want them too big. So everything is all prepared, cut up, and ready for cooking. And guys, just look at the colors, right? So by now you know that I am very big on colors because some people do eat with their eyes, right? So color and taste, it's a big thing for me. So you can see the colors coming out very, very beautiful, all right? Yes. So what I'm doing now, I'm just blanching the green beans and the carrot just to soften them up a little bit. You don't want to cook them, you just want to make sure that, you know, the hot water pass over it. So you just give it about 1.5 minutes or so because you don't want them to be overcooked so that you lose all the nutrients. So that's basically what I am doing. I'm just gonna let the water boil over them and then turn off the fire. All right, so in my skillet I have a tablespoon of olive oil. So I'm going to add my garlic, bell pepper, back some of the scallion just to garnish the fried rice. Alright, so we just want to saute. So now I will add the bean sprouts. I will also add the corn. Carrot and green beans. Very flavorful. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of black pepper. Alright, so now I'm ready to add my soy sauce along with the rice. So I will add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. It depends on how dark you want your fried rice. I'll just put about 2 tablespoons. Let me put about 2.5. Definitely, if we need more, we will add. So now I will add the rice, and I'm using brown rice. And you can add the quantity according to the need of your family. Alright? And then you just stir everything in. So guys, I'm all done. Very quick and simple recipe. Alright, if you have leftover rice, you can always use that. You don't have to go and cook rice. Alright, and another thing, if you cook your rice with salt, then there's no need to add salt in the vegetable because it would be already salty as well as the soy sauce. So there's no need to add salt if you cook your rice with salt and you're a person who does not like to take a lot of salt. Alright, so that's it. Let me hope that you have enjoyed the recipe and the process. Alright, please put a like on the video, also subscribe and share it. Alright, and let me know what you think. Alright, so there you have it, very simple, your vegetable fried rice. Alright, so stay tuned and I will see you in the next video. So folks, permit me to do just one last act before I say goodbye, and that is to give it a taste. Very good. And I'm not saying this out of bias. Maybe a little bit, yeah. But it tastes real good. I can taste the flavor coming out. Packed with goodness. So thank you so much. God bless you. Remember to subscribe, like, and share.